What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you the How Chai by China Mama. If you guys never been in this place before, I highly recommend you guys this one. As you see, that's the address, 5223 How Chai. You can see the big logo. You can see this at Charleston Boulevard, West Plaza. One of the delicious restaurant that you can eat. There are a lot of variety of Chinese food that you can order. I'm just showing you guys once I get inside, and I'm showing you guys what will I order today. The parking, it's vast, so you can park your car. And this is the entrance. So we're gonna go inside. Okay, these are the menu that you can choose. These are the prices. Okay, these are the menu that you can order. So as you see, that's the prices. They have a Vietnamese rice noodle soup, braised beef noodle soup, so these are the prices that you can order. Salt and pepper, and this is
Nathan.
This is the best. You can order the beef bone rice noodle soup Vietnamese, $38. You can see this in a large bowl. I think this is good for 5 or 6 people, and I'm showing you guys once they serve it on our table. Okay, guys, this is a what do you call this one? This is a beef. What do you call this?
Beef bone.
Beef bowl.
You wanna try, Nate?
No.
Ate.
And there's some noodles to the side. Look.
Sa noodles inside?
Yeah, right there to the side. There's a noodles.
Okay.
So delicious.
Oh my God.
It's a soup and noodles.
Tastes good.
Wow.
Picture mo na lang. Picture mo nga kami.
I said I want noodles only.
Try it.
I want noodles only, not this. I said I want noodles.
This one.
I want the chocolate cake.
Good job, Nate.
Actually, it tastes good.
Tastes good. Try it.
Okay, moment of truth. We're gonna taste this. Taste it.
I'm holding.
Wow, tastes so good. The soup noodles taste so good.
Lala, can
Try
you
it, guys.
hold it?
$40 only.
What do you call it?
Try it.
That's $40 only.
Try it.
Where do I put this?
Which one do you like?
I'll check you like this too. Look,
Okay guys, the best part of this is to put this chili sauce or chili oil, put it there, drop some oil, and this one will taste really good.
So good.
Mix it up, taste
You're gonna
it.
like it.
Tastes so good. Large spoon.
Sabaw? Ano yung sabaw? Dalawa?
So delicious. Beef. Delicious. The soup is so good.
Ang sahod nila.
Sige ako bala niya.
Bilis nila maubos ang pila.
The one that I order is the beef bone soup. Delicious. $40 only. Okay guys, I already ate to this How Chi Mama by China Mama. I give this restaurant a thumbs up. I spent only $78 and it's a delicious food. Come and see at 5243 West Plaza, Charleston Boulevard, Las Vegas, Nevada. Come and see. You will taste the Vietnamese or Chinese noodles with a beef bone soup. One of the best, $40 only. You won't get wrong. I highly recommend. May you guys have a wonderful day today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I'll catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. God bless you. Bye for now. God bless.